Welcome back to the brand called You series. Today we are focusing on personal brand identity. Personal brand identity is all about establishing and promoting your own uniqueness in the reputation. And you then focus to showcase your skills, your expertise, your personality, and your values. And the areas of focus of personal identity are: you want to look at you want to look to define your brand, to your visual identity, create your brand image, and be consistent in communication. And of course, bring out the thought leadership in you.